Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Crystal. I am here to bring you another video. Well, yeah. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how I did this look, what I used for this look. I'm going to show you everything that I did in this look, and I'm going to share with you my first impressions. Like, this is the first time I used the Sacha Cosmetics face canvas. I'm going to share my thoughts with you using this primer because it was the first time I tried this today. Yes, and you're going to hear about it. And I'm going to give you my final thoughts on the Tobaglo Estate Cocoa Edition palette by Tobaglocosmetics. I have something to say about this. I have something to say about this. So stay tuned. Go check out the video. Oh, and before you forget, hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Okay? Thank you. Now go look at the video. We're gonna dive in today into the Sacha Cosmetics Liquid Velvet Face Canvas. It says lightweight, velvety, smooth face primer, blurs and reduces the appearance of fine lines and pores, controls oil, and extend the makeup all day and night. Can be worn under foundation or alone. Suitable for all skin types. As an athlete and who wears makeup all the time, that's a winner. It controls oil, that's a winner. Everything that it says there, it's a winner. I am going to test it out today. So let me go in, open it up. Okay, I'm gonna do 2 pumps. I'm gonna put it here and here. It feels like, I don't know, it's not, the consistency is grainy, and you know I don't want to be nitpicky. You know, people will be like, oh my god, blah, blah, blah. I don't want to be nitpicky, but I want to give my final thoughts at the end, so I'm going to try and massage it in really well. Guys, my neighbor dog has not been fed, and until they do that, it's going to keep barking, so please bear with me. Now I'm going in with Sacha foundation. This is the Second Skin foundation, so let me get that on. So now I'm going to go in with some concealer, and I will list all the products that I'm using down below. Next, I'm going to go contour. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Stick Contour in the shade Espresso. Now I go in with the Sacha Buttercup. Yes, I am going to do a full video using Sacha products because that's what it is. Because you know, you have to test everything to know how it works. Yeah, there we go. Next, we're going to use the Sacha Matte Face Powder. I put powder everywhere except on the bridge of my nose. So let me go back in and do that. And I set my powder with this rose water. This is from a company called V&S in Trinidad. It's a pharmaceutical company, I think it is, and I recently just started using it for powder, for setting my powder, melting in my powder, and it really does a wonderful job. It gets the job done. Okay, so now I'm moving on to the eyebrows because I want my eyebrows to be done, so I'm going to do my eyebrows first. And I like using pencils. I'm going to use a Rimmel pencil. Yes, a Rimmel pencil in dark brown. Yes, my pencil is this big, and I am going to finish it before I open another one. Yes. So now we're going to go into the eyes. I just got myself a flat brush. It's a concealer brush, and this is the P. Louise base, and this is in Rumor 5. Let me get another brush. Let me use this one. Now we're going into the palette. I am going to use the Tobaglo Cosmetics palette. The Tobaglo Estate is the Cocoa edition. I am going to go in with each side. Let me get you guys comfortable. Okay, that's much better. Let me go in with each side. Next, I'm going to go in with E-Carp, Epi-Carp or E-Carp. I didn't christen this palette, but we're going in with that color. It's a kind of greenish, yellowish color on the lid. Next, I'm going to go in with T. I'm going to put T right there. So before I go in again, let me just put something for the fallout. And I'm going to blend that out. I'm going back in with each side on top of that, right there. Boom. And you know what? I'm gonna blend it out. So I want this a little darker, so I'm going to go into Darky. Darky, where you from? So I'm going to go into Darky, and I'm just going to put it right in the inside here. And guess what I'm going to do? Blend it out. Don't be shy. Put some more. Don't be shy. So I'm going back in with Epi-Carp. And now I blend it out. Now I'm going in with my gel liner. Ding dong! Okay, so I'm just going to remove the excess powder under my eyes. This is my Sacha Cosmetics black liner. Now I am going to go in first with T. That looks good. Oh my. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my brow pencil. Now for some mascara, I'm going to use the Dior mascara. Okay, so we're going to go in. I'll fix my hair. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my face. And I'm going to go in with the Sacha Burnt Orange. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with highlighter. And sadly, I have none of Sacha's highlighter. But I'm going to go in with Anastasia Beverlyhills Glow Palette. And not the Glow Palette, Sun Dip Palette. Yeah, like, really. Oh yeah, I now know why I go in Sun Dip, because it's not broken. Sun Dip is not broken. The other one is broken. Let's don't go there. I'm going to be using bronze. Gonna cut my cheek. Reverse contour. Oh well. And now I'm going in with my Skindinavia setting spray. Baptized. So now I'm going to go into lips. Let me get my lips on. Going in with MAC Chestnut. Next, oh, I don't know what color is this. This is a Sacha's lipstick, and the color is not there. I don't know how to help you guys with this one. Okay, look at me now. Look at me. Oh yeah, so this is the completed look. Oh yes, I did my lashes off camera because I forgot. Basically, yes, I forgot to do my lashes on camera. But that's not important. What is important right now is my final thoughts. I am going to bring you my first impression thoughts about using the Sacha Cosmetics face canvas. First thing first, let me say, have you ever tried the Angel Veil by NYX primer? If you have, it's comparable, it's compatible. It reminds me of this. It reminds me of that NYX Angel Veil primer. It does. It goes on like that. The texture, it feels just as that primer. Yes, it reminds me of that. For the final thought, it does blur lines. Like, my laugh lines are really pronounced, and it did what it said it was going to do. It reduces the look of fine line. So yeah, I would give it another go. Let's go into my final thoughts on the Tobaglo Estate, the Cocoa Edition eyeshadow palette. So yeah, the best for me was using the P. Louise base on my lid with this palette. It worked the best. It gave so much pigmentation, so much color, so much boom. It was the best. So my final thoughts is, get you a really good base when you're using this palette. You can use concealer also, but a really good base that's meant for eyeshadow goes a long way. It works really well. So that was my final thoughts. That was my impression using the Sacha Cosmetics, and my final thoughts using the Tobaglo Estate. So guys, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for making it to the end. Yes, I really appreciate that. And since you made it this far, hit that subscribe button. Come on. Thank you guys for being here. I'll see you on my next video.